Welcome to the world's largest production facility, where millions of gallons of soda are manufactured every day.
The process begins with advanced water purification, ensuring every drop meets the highest standards for global consumption.
Pure liquid sugar and secret concentrates are precisely measured to create the foundational syrup for this beverage. Giant mechanical agitators rotate at high speeds to ensure a perfectly consistent blend of flavor and sweetness.
Please subscribe to our channel now to see more fascinating industrial processes and modern factory technology videos.
And pressurized carbon dioxide is infused into the chilled liquid, creating the refreshing fizz known across the world.
Small plastic preforms are heated and blown into familiar bottle shapes using intense air pressure and heat. Automated rinsing systems use ionized air to remove any dust particles before the bottles reach the filling. High-precision nozzles fill hundreds of containers every minute with zero waste and absolute volumetric accuracy tonight.
Robotic cappers seal the bottles instantly to lock in carbonation and prevent any external contamination from occurring.
Advanced laser sensors detect the slightest variation in fill levels, rejecting any bottle that is not perfect. Glue-free labels are applied with high-speed rotation, giving each bottle its iconic and globally recognized brand identity.
Finished products are organized into rows by high-speed dividers in preparation for the final protective shrink wrapping.
Powerful heat tunnels shrink the plastic film tightly around the bottles, ensuring they remain secure during transport. Robotic arms handle the heavy lifting, stacking hundreds of cases onto pallets with mathematical and perfect alignment.
Driverless vehicles navigate the facility using laser guidance to transport finished pallets to the vast shipping docks.
Thousands of trucks depart weekly, delivering fresh soda to retailers and consumers across every corner of the nation.
And constant laboratory testing ensures the flavor profile remains consistent, regardless of the scale of the daily production.
Modern technology allows for real-time monitoring of all utility systems to prevent any downtime in the factory.
Green energy initiatives power a significant portion of this facility, reducing the carbon footprint of mass manufacturing.
Strict hygiene protocols are followed 24 hours a day to maintain a sterile environment for food production.
The centralized control systems track every motor and pump, optimizing energy usage and maximizing the overall factory efficiency.
Aluminum cans are processed with equal speed, featuring high-resolution graphics that withstand the condensation of the refrigeration.
The canning process is an engineering marvel, filling thousands of units per hour with terrifyingly high precision.
High-speed seamers create an airtight seal on aluminum cans, protecting the contents from light and oxygen.
Every can is washed and dried before it reaches the final packaging to ensure the highest cleanliness. Laser markers etch unique batch codes onto every container, allowing for full traceability throughout the global supply. Automated tray packers group cans into sets of 24 before they move to the wrapping stage.
Continuous rolls of labels allow the factory to run for hours without stopping, maintaining a high output.
Predictive maintenance technology identifies potential failures before they happen, ensuring the production lines never stop their work.
Before any large-scale mixing occurs, all raw ingredients are checked for purity and correct chemical composition. Massive quantities of liquid sugar are pumped through stainless steel pipes to the main ingredient storage area.
The dual spiral blades ensure every part of the concentrate is homogeneous before being thinned with water.
Water is chilled to exactly 34 degrees Fahrenheit to maximize the absorption of carbon dioxide gas.
The precise level of carbonation is what defines the mouthfeel and refreshing nature of the finished soda.
These preforms are the starting point for every plastic bottle processed in this massive state facility. High-speed automation minimizes human contact with the containers, ensuring a high level of product safety. High-speed cameras scan for imperfections at a rate of 60 frames per second on the line.
The bricks level represents the sugar content, ensuring the beverage has the exact sweetness intended by designers.
Bowl feeders use vibration to align thousands of caps per minute for the automated closing systems ahead.
Heat shrink sleeves conform to the bottle's unique shape, providing a 360-degree surface for brand graphics.
Every bottle is weighed in motion, and any underfilled containers are immediately purged from the line.
Constant lubrication is necessary to prevent friction and wear on the miles of high-speed conveyors.
Flat sheets of cardboard are folded and glued in seconds to create the boxes for shipping pallets. High-speed printers apply essential data to thousands of cans per minute without ever slowing the line. Tension straps secure the load for the vibrations of truck and rail transport to distant market regions. Advanced proximity sensors ensure that autonomous vehicles operate safely alongside human workers in the busy facility. Maintaining high pressure in storage tanks is essential for the continuous flow of gas to carbonation. Regular internal inspections prevent contamination and ensure the structural integrity of the factory's massive blending vessels.
Centrifugal force removes any minute solids, ensuring the final beverage is perfectly clear and smooth tonight.
Every ingredient is double-checked and logged into the system for full batch traceability and safety.
Sustainable water sourcing is a priority for the facility, balancing industrial needs with the local environment.
Exact torque is required to ensure the caps are easy to open but seal the carbonation perfectly.
Byproducts from the manufacturing process are recycled or treated to minimize the factory's overall environmental impact. AI-powered vision systems identify and remove even the smallest cosmetic defects from the final product.
Maintaining specific temperatures in holding tanks prevents ingredient degradation and ensures a consistent final product quality.
Cans start as large coils of aluminum, which are stamped and drawn into their cylindrical shapes.
A food-safe internal lining is applied to prevent the beverage from reacting with the aluminum metal.
Automation allows the factory to store and retrieve millions of cases with total and absolute precision. Frequent testing for bacteria is a critical part of the factory's comprehensive and strict food safety. Steaming speed must be perfectly synchronized with the filling line to prevent any carbonation loss today.
Vacuum filling ensures that no air is trapped in the bottle, which could affect the carbonation.
Moving materials into the rinsing unit is a critical and timed step in the long production process. Low oxygen levels are important for the quality and the shelf life of the finished products. Temperature control is essential for the consistent shaping of the plastic bottles during the high-speed run.
Labeling speed is matched with the bottling line to maintain a continuous and efficient production flow today.
Automated inspection reduces the risk of human error and ensures only the best bottles reach consumers. Tamper-evident sealing is a critical food safety feature that protects the integrity of the product. Robotic stacking increases the stability of the pallet for safe transport across the long national distribution network. Managing power is essential for the continuous operation of the world's largest and most efficient factory. Logistics and distribution are the final links in the chain, bringing the factory's output to the world.
Soda is a staple of global snack food culture, enjoyed at stadiums and events across the country.
Flavor testing is a critical step in ensuring the beverage has successfully developed its unique, iconic taste.
Weight checks at every stage ensure the process is efficient and the final consumer gets full value.
The factory remains a beacon of industrial efficiency, working tirelessly to satisfy the world's hunger for soda. Monitoring water pressure ensures the filters are working optimally to provide the highest purity for beverages. Raw crystalline sugar is stored in giant silos before being dissolved into a liquid syrup for mixing. High-speed impellers create a powerful vortex, ensuring every ingredient is perfectly incorporated into the syrup base. Scanning batch codes ensures that only the correct and verified concentrates are used in the mixing process.
Ionized air effectively removes any microscopic particles, ensuring a perfectly sterile container for the final product filling.
Bringing bottles to the correct temperature is vital for the stability of the carbonation during filling today.
Sensory testing confirms that the carbonation level meets the iconic fizz standards for every single product batch.
Automated packing increases the speed and efficiency of the canning line, maintaining a very high production output.
Sustainability is a focus with the facility, recovering heat to reduce the overall energy consumption of plant. Precision weighing of colorants ensures that
Maintaining correct tension on the label film is essential for a perfectly aligned application on every bottle. Regular calibration of sensors ensures that the mixing ratios are maintained with absolute and total precision today. Advanced air filtration removes particles and odors, ensuring the factory remains a safe and clean neighbor today. Magnetic capping heads apply a perfectly uniform pressure, ensuring a consistent seal for every single bottle processed. Check weighers identify any underfilled or overfilled cans and automatically purge them from the high-speed line. AGVs move thousands of pallets every day, maximizing the efficiency and the overall safety of the warehouse.
Secure loading is the final step in ensuring the product reaches its destination in a perfect condition.
The final result of this complex process is a moment of pure and refreshing joy for consumers.
Continuous monitoring of wastewater ensures that the factory meets all of the environmental safety and quality standards.
Clear labeling provides consumers with all the information they need to make healthy and informed food choices. The factory remains a beacon of industrial efficiency, working tirelessly to satisfy the world's hunger for soda. The work never stops in this high-tech facility, dedicated to the production of the world's favorite.
Soda is a staple of global snack food culture, enjoyed at stadiums and events across the country.
We truly appreciate your support and hope to see you again for our next amazing industrial story.
Rhythmic vibrations align thousands of caps every minute, ensuring a constant and smooth supply for the capping.
Precise pressure control is vital for the ionized air to effectively remove all of the microparticles. Maintaining the facility's infrastructure is a continuous job that is vital for the safety of the beverage. Security and safety are the top priorities at the intake dock, where the raw materials first arrive. The blow molding cycle is timed to the millisecond to ensure every bottle has a perfect shape. Caffeine levels are carefully controlled to provide the characteristic boost that consumers expect from their favorite beverage. Controlled carbonation is a science, requiring precise pressure and temperature to achieve the perfect amount of fizz.
Measuring the density ensures that the beverage has the correct ratio of ingredients for a perfect flavor.
High-speed filling machines can process thousands of bottles in just a few minutes of production time.
Moving materials into the rinsing unit is a critical and timed step in the long production process. Precise carbonation control is a technical challenge that this facility has mastered through years of industrial experience.
Humidity control is essential for the consistent filling of the bottles, throughout the entire high-speed run.
Capping speed is matched with the filling line to maintain a continuous and efficient production flow daily.
Automated inspection reduces the risk of human error and ensures only the best bottles reach the consumers.
Heat sealing is a critical food safety feature that protects the integrity of the finished beverage products. Automated labeling ensures that every box is correctly addressed and ready for the global logistics network today. Robotic storage and retrieval systems maximize the efficiency of the warehouse and reduce the need for labor. Logistics and distribution are the unsung heroes of the industry, bringing fresh beverages to the entire world.
Soda is a staple of global snack food culture, enjoyed at stadiums and events across the country.
The factory remains a beacon of industrial efficiency, working tirelessly to satisfy the world's hunger for soda.
Concentrated extracts are used to ensure the flavor is potent enough to stand out after the carbonation.
Efficiency in the supply chain allows the factory to receive and process massive amounts of raw materials.
Between batches, the filling heads are thoroughly sanitized to prevent cross-contamination during the busy workday.
Seasonal promotions keep the brand fresh and offer customers a new way to enjoy their beverages today.
Visually appealing beverages are a technical challenge that this facility has mastered through years of experience today.
Human oversight is still essential to ensure the final shipping boxes are sturdy and correctly labeled today.
The distribution network is a marvel of coordination, reaching almost every corner of the country and beyond.
The taste of soda is a universal language of refreshment that transcends borders and all different cultures.
High-quality ingredients are used to give the specialty flavors their authentic and refreshing natural and taste.
Visual inspection systems use cameras and AI to detect any defects in the labeling before it leaves. The power required to run a 1 million bottle a day facility is truly and deeply significant tonight. Measuring pressure ensures that the soda has the perfect fizz and isn't too soft or too harsh. The rhythmic movement of the bottles is a testament to the engineering that powers the factory's output.
Precise gas flow is necessary to the carbonation of the beverage and lock in the food quality.
High-precision stacking ensures that the products are not damaged during the transport to their final destination.
These drinks are a popular choice for refreshment, bringing joy to millions of people every single day.
From silo to shelf, the journey of soda is a masterpiece of modern and sustainable industrial engineering.
Thank you for watching our deep dive into the world of sustainable soda and industrial production today.
We hope you found this story fascinating, and remember to support a greener future for our world. Advanced security systems monitor the facility around the clock, ensuring the safety of the workers and product.
Maintaining filtration efficiency is a critical part of the factory's commitment to the highest beverage quality.
Quality control starts at the intake dock, ensuring that every raw material meets our strict safety standards.
Thorough sanitation of the processing equipment is a mandatory and essential part of the daily production routine. The blow molding cycle is timed to the millisecond to ensure every bottle has a perfect shape.
Flavor levels are carefully controlled to provide the characteristic taste that consumers expect from their favorite beverage. Controlled carbonation is a science, requiring precise pressure and temperature to achieve the perfect amount of fizz.
Measuring the density ensures that the beverage has the correct ratio of ingredients for a perfect flavor.
High-speed filling machines can process thousands of bottles in just a few minutes of production time.
Moving materials into the rinsing unit is a critical and timed step in the long production process. Low oxygen levels are important for the quality and the shelf life of the finished products today.
Temperature control is essential for the consistent shaping of the plastic bottles during the high-speed production run.
Labeling speed is matched with the bottling line to maintain a continuous and efficient production flow daily. Automated inspection reduces the risk of human error and ensures only the best bottles reach the consumers.
Tamper-evident sealing is a critical food safety feature that protects the integrity of the finished product.
Robotic stacking increases the stability of the pallet for safe transport across the long national distribution network. Managing power is essential for the continuous operation of the world's largest and most efficient food factory. Logistics and distribution are the final links in the chain, bringing the factory's output to the world.
Soda is a staple of global snack food culture enjoyed at stadiums and events across the country.
Flavor testing is a critical step in ensuring the beverage has successfully developed its unique, iconic taste.
Weight checks at every stage ensure the process is efficient and the final consumer gets full value.
The factory remains a beacon of industrial efficiency, working tirelessly to satisfy the world's hunger for soda.
Precise torque application is necessary to provide a perfect seal and maintain the beverage's carbonation over time. Strobe lights and high-speed cameras work together to identify any cosmetic or structural defects in containers.
Multi-packing increases the efficiency of the retail supply chain and provides more value for the consumers.
Renewable energy powers a significant portion of the production line, reducing the factory's overall carbon footprint today.
Acidity levels are carefully monitored to ensure the beverage maintains its characteristic and very refreshing flavor profile.
Automated transit systems move thousands of cases per hour, ensuring the warehouse is perfectly organized for shipping. Robotic picking reduces human error and ensures that orders are fulfilled with absolute and total precision today.
The journey to the consumer is the final stage of this amazing and high-tech industrial process.
Soda is a global favorite, providing refreshment and joy to people in every single corner of the world.
The facility is a masterpiece of modern design and a testament to the power of American manufacturing.
The work continues 24 hours a day to provide the world with the beverages they love.
Perfection in every drop is the result of the high-tech process we have explored in factory.
Understanding the complex integration of systems is key to appreciating the scale of this massive beverage facility.
Precision control of the utility systems is vital for the continuous and safe operation of the factory. Sustainability is not just a goal, but a reality in this modern and highly efficient food plant. Regular maintenance of the massive motors ensures the production lines run smoothly with zero unplanned downtime tonight.
High-speed filling machines can process thousands of bottles in just a few minutes of production time.
Moving materials into the rinsing unit is a critical and timed step in the long production process. Low oxygen levels are important for the quality and the shelf life of the finished products today.
Temperature control is essential for the consistent shaping of the plastic bottles during the high-speed production run.
Labeling speed is matched with the bottling line to maintain a continuous and efficient production flow daily.
Automated inspection reduces the risk of human error and ensures only the best bottles reach the consumers.
Tamper-evident sealing is a critical food safety feature that protects the integrity of the finished product.
Meatable. Robotic stacking increases the stability of the pallet for safe transport across the long national distribution. Managing power is essential for the continuous operation of the world's largest and most efficient food factory. Logistics and distribution are the final links in the chain, bringing the factory's output to the world.
Soda is a staple of global snack food culture, enjoyed at stadiums and events across the country.
Flavor testing is a critical step in ensuring the beverage has successfully developed its unique iconic taste.
Weight checks at every stage ensure the process is efficient and the final consumer gets full value. The factory remains a beacon of industrial efficiency, working tirelessly to satisfy the world's hunger for soda. Constant surveillance and high-tech monitoring ensure the integrity of the world's most advanced beverage production facility. Ozone treatment provides a chemical-free way to eliminate all bacteria, ensuring a perfectly safe consumer experience. Multimodal logistics, including internal rail lines, maximize the efficiency of the raw material intake and distribution. Every component, from the bottle to the cap, is measured to the micrometer, ensuring total manufacturing consistency. From pure water to a global favorite, the journey of soda is a masterpiece of modern engineering.
Thank you for joining us on this amazing journey inside the world's largest soda production facility today.
The work continues 24 hours a day to satisfy the world's hunger for refreshing and delicious. We truly appreciate your support and hope to see you again for our next amazing industrial story.